Ready to turn your love for Notion into a money-making side hustle? First, identify a need. What problem can you solve with a Notion template? Think about your own life or common pain points you see online. Project management, habit tracking, meal planning. The possibilities are endless now. Design a marketable template, make it visually appealing, easy to use, and packed with value. Use clear instructions, intuitive layouts, and helpful formulas. Remember, first impressions matter. Next, package your template effectively. Create a compelling cover image and write a detailed description highlighting its benefits. Showcase how it will improve users' lives or workflows. Consider offering different versions or add-ins to increase its perceived value. Now, let's choose a platform. Popular options include Gumroad, Etsy, and your own website. Each has its pros and cons in terms of fees, reach, and control. Finally, promote your template to your target audience. Use social media, Notion communities, and content marketing to spread the word. Engage with potential customers, answer their questions, and offer incentives like discounts or free trials. Remember, building a successful business takes time and effort. Keep iterating, improving, and providing excellent customer service. You've got this.